Hey guys, it's Ashley Marie Color here with another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to do a wave without curling your hair. It's more of a crimp and it's an effortless chic look. So for this style you're going to need an iron. I'm using an 1.25 inch marcel. You can use the spring one as well, it just makes it a little bit easier. Also you'll need a sharp clip, and also I have a few Virtue products I'm going to show you how to use. So I always like to start with things in the nape, so I'm just going to gather my hair, section it off, and have the nape section started in the back. You're going to grab like this section, like a size of the section that's about the size of the curling iron. And you're going to have your iron set to 380. And you're going to grab it and push the hair towards your head and just kind of move it around. If you clamp it like this, you're going to get a line. So you just want to kind of lightly brush it and then do another going the other direction. And you're going to do the same thing again. You need some tension on the hair. And then you're just going to kind of clamp it, let go, and go the alternate direction. So you're kind of going up on top and down on the bottom. And just doing a few and releasing it. And the ends you're going to want to leave just a little bit of space out. There you go, it's like a crimp. So now I'm going to start this same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to repeat going on top of the hair, clamping it, letting it go, going right underneath that section, clamping it, moving it with tension underneath, and just repeating this down the strand. And you don't want to leave it on for too long, otherwise you're going to get like a clamp mark. And you don't want to do it too hard, otherwise you're going to get a clamp mark. And if you do, you can always go over it with your iron a little bit softer just to soften it. There you go. So I'm gonna go through with my fingers and break up the waves, if you want to call them crimps. And my hair is a little bit greasy. This is a really good one to do on a second day look because your hair is just a little bit dirtier. It'll hold a little bit better and look even more beachy versus it being like fresh. So I'm gonna actually go in first with a little bit of dry shampoo. I'm using the one from Virtue. I'm just gonna part the hair and spray it into the roots. This dry shampoo is actually really good for your nuts because it doesn't have any powder in it, so it's not going to leave any white residue. Work that in. Okay, and then in the mids to ends, I'm going to apply a little bit of the texturizing spray. And this just adds a little bit of second day look and a little bit of dry texture. have this little lifting powder that I love, and it gives it like that puff effect. And it has like a little dispensary. Just puff it into their hair, and it just makes it a little bit fluffy. This is also great for braids. Powdery. Okay, and then you can always finish off with a light hairspray. Seal it in. This roll will do ya. And you can play around with it. You can even kind of like move your fingers in like a pinching motion on the hair. This gives it that like really piecey, peachy look. Mess it up a little bit so it doesn't look too perfect. And voila. This is that beachy look. So this is my look. This is a nice beachy texture, and I really appreciate you guys following along. Hope you enjoyed.